Driving to the cabin. It's going to be rented out for 3 months, and I'm going to show you what projects I'm working on this weekend. For 3 whole months. And in the meantime, making spaghetti. Woo! Hi guys. Here's the project. This was replaced recently. This needs to be fixed. Caulking in every crevice. Put some nails and suck in the siding as much as possible. Painting everything. Okay, so we're upstairs. I'm gonna get a piece of metal flashing to just kind of sit here and come over here and prevent water from going down into the side of the house. But let's not forget what this deck looks like, because it's going to be beautiful like that. I find that the best way to transfer your things is in a bucket. So thirsty. Alright, so we got the primer going. You ready for the groomers? I moved the paint and that's what happened. Getting there. Metal flashing goes up. We want to paint and seal everything good. Here we go. Detroit like Skilla, baby.